Interconnecting Automation, our training partner, has been providing in-person PLC training around the country for decades, specializing in no gimmick, no sales pitch professional training on PLC fundamentals and PLC programming for modern-day systems. But now, Interconnecting Automation and its owner, Doug Bell, have made it easier to get professional training on PLCs with their new live, virtual PLC training classes. These remote classes offer the same real-world training as in-person classes, but in a virtual remote format that anyone can attend regardless of their location. Virtual classes feature live online lessons with Doug Bell and real-time programming, testing, and troubleshooting of actual PLC hardware using free programming software, a trainer interface, and a webcam. And best of all, there's no traveling required. No expensive airfares and hotels, no packing and unpacking, no waiting in traffic, no waiting in long security lines, or waiting at the gate. Join the class where you are in an instant for much less cost and with all the legroom you need. But how does it work, you ask? Well, let's take a look. When you log on to the virtual class, you will join Doug and his other students, and you'll be assigned your own workstation.
Doug, what is that? That's C300. Now, gentlemen, for the next 2 days...
The workstation will have a trainer interface so you can manipulate the trainer remotely, a PLC with free programming software, the needed class documentation, a live webcam view so you can see how the trainer is responding, and video conferencing window so you can see and hear Doug's instruction and ask questions as needed. With virtual PLC training, you get the same quality PLC training as in-person classes assessed remotely from your location. Less cost for the class plus no traveling. Small classes with plenty of opportunities to ask questions during and after the session. Your own workstation to learn on. The freedom to take the class from anywhere. On the job, at home, wherever you choose. Definitely don't do that. And that's not a good idea either. But anyway, you get the point. To sign up for a virtual PLC training class, head on over to interconnectingautomation.com/PLC-training-schedule and select any of the online virtual classrooms you want. Click the Request Pricing and Sign Up Online button, fill out and submit the online form, and you'll get an email with all the information you need to get registered. If you have any questions, drop us a comment below.